Hi guys, what's happening? So last time we talked about how we managed to get the coil working, and that now would be the time to actually wind some more coils. But this is easier said than done. And I also noticed that my motivation was, a little bit lacking on the previous videos. So I decided to do something about it. And I did fix it, so I'll show you how I did it. So here we're looking at a photo of what I did. I basically laid down the stuff that I had left over, like these bobbin plates, and I gathered some of the iron cores that were still, ready to be mounted. And I also took apart the rotor and motor sort of stator, so that I could see where to go from here. And so basically I made a list of things to do to sort of, look at what needs to be done and when I can start winding the coils. I just started looking at the list and it's sort of in order. So obviously I first had to print the alignment guide, and so I did that. And so I put these alignment guides, for the bobbin plates onto new pieces of high pressure laminate, just like before. And I sort of cut them out. So I cut them out, and also I placed them with another alignment guide sort of picture on the motor starter plate. And with double-sided tape I put them all together on this motor starter plate in order to drill those holes. The holes were already drilled in the starter plate, just not in these bobbin plates. And as you can see, that worked out quite nicely. So yeah, let's go back to the list once more, and you can see I basically made 10 more bobbin plates. I put a mark, and I sort of made a sort of calculator in Excel. With all the things that I can do, I made a score for it, and turns out you can calculate the percentages then, and we're now at 10%. Well, this is where we were. Let's see where we're now. I sort of also made the 3mm holes for the bolts to connect the bobbin and starter plates, and now we're at 14%. So the next step would be to drill the 15mm holes for iron cores. And I looked up in the Excel, and this would make the bar go to 20%. So let's at least make that a goal for today. Since it's the time of filming right now, there is still a day ahead, so we can go for more. So what you're looking at right now is the bobbin plates again, and sort of they are pre-drilled. And most of them I got spot on and in the middle, so I could drive a 14mm drill bit through it, and the rest has to be filed off a little bit more. And some of them were not perfectly top dead center in, and so I managed to only drill a 12 bit in there. I was too afraid to actually try and drill the 14mm bit, so then the core would not end up in the middle, so I'll just file the rest off. Then there are two more here, one of which I'm not satisfied about. It's not very round, so that the coil may flip out or not be held perfectly, so I might do this one again. And this one I sort of moved a little bit too far with the step drill bit, and so it became a 16mm hole. I tried the core in there, and then there would be too little iron or the hole is too big, so I'll have to make another for these. So here we are on the other side, and as you can see, I've cut the 15mm holes out nicely, and there are some more here. And remember, there were two of them which I had to redo, so I already cut them out, sort of. Still have to cut the shape. So we're almost at the 20%. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching and see you next time.